judges, my name is David Kemani and our team is from the Mwanjagumba Foundation. Recycling is a key component of modern waste reduction, and our project aims at recycling bottle tops to make a new whole product. Thank you and keep watching this video and God bless you.
Hello judges, my name is Shani Zangari, and for this project we used bottle tops, cardboard, scissors, tape, wires and glue gun. My teammate is going to take us through what we need.
Hello judges, my name is Mr. Dimba. I'll take you through how we made this project possible. So for a start, we were to take the cardboard, cut it into pieces, sizable pieces that are relevant for making of the toy bus. Secondly, we took the wire and the pliers. We managed to cut the wires into sizable pieces so that we could be able to join them together. Thirdly, we took the bottle tops and managed to make holes using nails so that they could form part and parcel of the tires of that particular vehicle. And that's how we made this particular. We will cut this cardboard into sizes. So Cassius, cut sir. Very good. Ashley, take the scissors, cut this cardboard here. Very good. Now these two will form the two sides of the bus. So what we need to do, we need to cut the front end and the back end. We should be cutting from here. So Cassius, cut here. Good. Put more energy. Very good. So what we will do next, so I'll help you, since this requires more energy, I'll help you cut these wires using the pliers, so that now we can be able to join these two components. Take a pliers, hold it there. So cut.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Come to our conclusion. As recycling prevents loss of essentially useful materials, thereby recycling of our bottle tops. Produce a fresh supply. Exclusivity project